Hi guys, it's Kaz4Tech here, and today I've got a special first unboxing for you, the 2017 iPad Pro 10.5 inch. So let's get started. Visually, the packaging looks great from the outside. The image they have used on top really shows off that this is a premium product. So let's take a look inside. So inside we have on top the iPad. Let's take that out. iPad Pro, 64GB Space Gray, and that's Wi-Fi and cellular. See if it's one side and come back to it. Also, we have small introduction card highlighting the iPad's features. We also have the Lightning to USB cable and the power adapter. Okay. So let's take a look around the iPad. Let's open this up. Plastic's coming off. Let's go. Okay. So let's take a quick look around the iPad. The first thing you'll probably notice is the bezels, as they've been shrunk on each side in comparison to the 9.7 inch iPad. And this is a nice modification by Apple, as iPads haven't changed all that much since they were first released. So it has 4 speakers, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top, and this should give it really good sound quality. We also have the smart connector to the keyboard right there, and the power button on the top. This new iPad's got a new 12 megapixel camera, and that's taken from the iPhone 7. This should really improve photo quality, but realistically guys, who's going to use an iPad for taking photos? I mean, you just look ridiculous. That's it guys, that's my unboxing, so thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.